Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Westminster, finished in the very stylish Eiger Grey. It's a 2-litre petrol hybrid. It does come equipped with a black exterior pack and the absolutely stunning gloss black alloys, which work perfectly with the grey finish, I'm sure you'll agree. We've also got the rear privacy glass, and showing you the practicality of the vehicle now. Got a huge amount of boot space there, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, I've got that Light Oyster Leather interior, very comfortable to be in, certainly took the part as well. Moving to the front, you've got the electrically adjustable front seats with a memory function and the Meridian sound system, and a very well presented dashboard there. This vehicle does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof and a huge amount of natural lighting, always a nice feature to have. And you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear camera, which works in hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence when parking. Ease of access to a huge range of other features, including your ambient lighting there as well. As we're making our way down, you have got your comfort programs, as well as your heated front and rear seats, perfect for use on those colder days. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.